So during the last month, I shopped a lot from Sugar Cosmetics, like their lipsticks, their crayons, their compact, their translucent powder, their foundation stick, and there's one more foundation, this liquid foundation, and their loose powder. Today I'm gonna give a review, a short review of all these products. So please continue watching. The first thing is their lipstick, which is nothing else matter long wear lipstick in the shade red herring, shade number 14. It's actually मैं सारी शेड्स ट्राई कर चुकी हूँ. कोई भी चीज़ आती है ना तो मुझसे रहा नहीं जाता है, मैं तुरंत तुरंत मुझे ट्राई करना होता है. दिस इज़ अ वेरी पिंकिश रेड शेड. It flatters every skin tone, huh? It looks so good. It is very comfortable, non-drying. You last up to 7 to 8 hours easily. And the second shade is Cloud Wine, which is a deep red color. I hope you can see. This is a deep red color. And the third shade is Peak Over, which is like a very beautiful nude brown color for dusky to deeper skin tone. Oh my god, it's such a pretty color. I applied it so many times. Like in just 10 days, I applied it 7 times. Now I keep on changing lipstick color after every 4 to 3 hours. And the another shade is Berry Picking. This one is Red Herring, Cloud Wine, Peak Over, and this is Berry Picking. This is also a deep berry color. This is brown with mauve undertones in it. Looks super good on you. By the way, I have MAC NC44. One lipstick is there, which is from the limited edition, and the shade is called Mauve On. This lipstick and this particular shade is also so good. All the formulations are similar. Like this one, it also have the same formulation. Oh my god, this looks so good on me. I have a deeper complexion, but this flatters me as well. So 5 lipsticks from there. Nothing else matter range. Second thing is their crayons, like matte as hell crayon lipsticks. It come in this packaging, cardboard packaging, and each crayon is come with this sharpener, which is a good quality sharpener. So the first shade is not my favorite, Poison Ivy. It is very patchy, non-pigmented, like not consistent. And even it doesn't dry up to matte. Just keep on shining on my lips. I don't like the formulation. By the way, all the products I got in some offer, like triple treat offer for rupees 1300. You can get 3 products in triple treat, and the shade is Cherry Darling 01. This is such a deep red color. Cherry Darling is more of a brighter side compared to this which shade, Poison Ivy. If you are planning to buy any shade in these two, like Poison Ivy and this Cherry Darling, please go for Cherry Darling. It is a very deep red color. The third shade is Morphe Brown. Oh my god, this looks so good. Such a deep brown with a hint of red in it. See, this will look good on each and every skin tone. This is such a pretty color. Poison Ivy, Poison Ivy. This is Cherry Darling. This is Morphe Brown. And the second universal flattering shade from this range is Scarlet O'Hara. This is like a bright red color. This will look good on each and every skin tone. It is similar to MAC Ruby Bow. This is such it will just brighten up your complexion. It is very good shade. the most famous shade from this range. And the fifth shade is Stephanie Plum, which is like this. This doesn't suits me. If I have a foundation on, it looks good, but without foundation, it washes me out. It is a deep rusty pink color with a hint of brown in it. I hope you can see. So again, this is Poison Ivy. This is Cherry Darling. This is Murphy Brown, Scarlett O'Hara, Stephanie Plum. Then I have their Ace of Face foundation stick. I have two shades. One is shade number 47 Borgia, and the second shade is shade number 50 Mocha, and in this come in this packaging. So now this shade number first I bought this shade number 47, which is like a way lighter for my skin. Then I was like, I need to purchase a different shade. See, this is like a very light for my skin, very light. Then I go ahead और मैंने ये shade number 50 लिया, which is like a perfect match for my skin. This foundation looks like your second skin. It is so creamy yet matte, comfortable, non-drying. Oh God, I love this foundation. Foundation. I tried it so many times in home only. Like I just apply foundation and I do my work. By the way, I'm studying. And this is their second foundation, which is Drop the Base Serum Foundation. This is also a light foundation for me. This is a shade number 52, Corretto. I wish I bought the shade Mocha in this foundation as well. As you can see, like it is also lighter for me. It transfer a lot. It doesn't transfer, it transfer a lot. It has a very light to medium coverage. It has a full coverage. This foundation has a full coverage. I have no makeup on. I have just lipstick. I have no foundation. I have no base. Just a moisturizer. That's it. So this is about the foundation. If you're willing to purchase a foundation from this range, please go for this foundation, Ace of Stick foundation. If you are MAC NC44 to NC 44.5, please go for the shade Mocha. You will love it. And if you're an oily skin person, you will love it. You will love it. Then I have their two powder. One is tinted powder and the second is compact. The tinted powder is like the Set the Tone tinted powder in the shade 45 Con Pana. And the compact powder is Dream Cover SPF 15 mattifying compact powder in the shade 55 Americano. This suits me. This is very light for me. I will give you a swatch for this. It's a little bit messy. I'm just put here. You can see Con Pana. This is Con Pana. This is very light for me. And this is Americano. Shade number 55. This it matches my skin tone. It matches my skin tone. It's a good powder. I have used all these things. This become patchy and looks gray on my skin. This looks like my second skin. Even if you don't apply foundation, just apply this and you're good to go. Then lastly, I have this Sugar translucent powder. One thing I noticed about this powder is like if it clings into your dry patches, it somehow doesn't look good on my skin tone. When I apply it under my eyes, it looks very ashy. It looks white on my skin as well. It said translucent, but it looks white. I don't know. Maybe I don't know how to use it. I don't know how to apply it. Maybe it looks bad. That's why. But if you are planning to buy this, it's your choice. I don't like this particular translucent powder from this range. Thank you for watching the video. See you again.